using Mac and you are a developer, so these short tips can help you a lot. So the problem is like there is some config file in the system or your application that are using like platform. I'm using like Apache PHP. So sometime I need to edit the PhpIni file and the http.conf file. So the problem is like we typically use bi command. I typically do. So from this, if you need to search like so it's good. By this way you can search, replace, and edit. But it's time consuming and not like user interactive. Another is way is we can use the nano. It's also good, but it will take a lot time to find and replace a text. So what we do, we can there is an option like called open. We can use this option or a command to open this file. This specific will be a specific text editor or default text editor. Like the format is like open, then a flag, then the application name, then the file. So look, this way you can open a file. So here you can replace search and the things is will be easy here. And now the things is you can use your custom editor to open that file. So if I type open a application, now we'll choose the application. So in my application list, I have lot of files. So okay, let's open it with Visual Studio. So I copy this code and type here, then the http.config. The file, oh, sorry, this application have a space in the name. So what we'll do, we'll surrounding it with double quotation. If your application name doesn't have a space, then you don't need to put that. So if you open that, good, that's get open. So like another things is there are sometimes the super user file need to open, so we can use like a read only file, so we can use like sudo. Before that it will prompt over our password. Okay, by this way you can open like sudo command and super user file. So there is a another two flag. On is like, okay, you can use your use like absolute path here. So if I use local etc http.config, so you can use. And there is another things like two flag. One is called like t flag and another is e flag. T flag to open the file with default text editor, so you don't need to put the name here. And another is like e flag that will open with the default text editor, like a specific text editor. So by this way you can open a file and text edit. And I'm using this look different. You already know this how the what is the terminal. This is like I use 10k themes. I'll put it on description. You can use it. So by this way you can open a file, edit, and thank you.